Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Today I'm standing in front of a 2026 Bennington 23 SSB. This boat is a tritoon with our SPS performance package on it. Has a 150 horsepower Yamaha motor with integrated hydraulic steering. The paneling color on this boat is absolute red and it has the platinum interior. This boat has standard docking lights and navigation lights and LED. Come around to the back, let's take a look at the floor plan. Coming around to the back of the boat, we see the 150 horsepower motor I was telling you about with the integrated steering. It's got the ski tow bar mounted to the transom, very secure, stable way to do that. This boat has the swing back seat, which we'll take a better look at when we climb inside. This model also has the optional lily pad ladder. This is the first year that we can add it to the flat deck. It is standard with the extended aft deck, but we've got to add it to this one, which is something new for this year. Come on inside. Coming into the interior of the boat, we have two nice long forward chase loungers, very comfortable seats. They have the 80% cutout, so we've got a great area to stick your sunglasses, hats, sunscreens, and a tray to hold your cell phone and other smaller belongings as well. The bow table's removable and stows away quickly. Coming over to the console, they've done a great job with the layout on this console. It has a wraparound dash and brings the throttle down alongside the driver. We've got a Garmin chart plotter GPS. Has a wireless phone charger tucked in underneath, out of the way. A little glove box to keep some valuables in. And a Bluetooth stereo. This boat comes standard with a 10-foot long bimini top and of course a full boat cover as well. And here's that swing back seat I was telling you about. Simply just lift it up in the center and you can go from interior lounge to rear lounge facing seats. Love to show you this boat in person over here at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.